In this video, I'm going to show you how to pause a widget in Elfsight. Let's get started. If you want to temporarily disable a widget without deleting it, Elfsight allows you to hide the widget from your website. This is the easiest way to pause it while keeping all of your settings and installation code intact. To do this, go to your Elfsight dashboard and locate the widget you want to pause. Once you find it, look for the three dots icon on the widget card. Click on those three dots to open the menu options. From there, select Hide from Website. After you do that, the widget will immediately stop appearing on your website, but it will not be deleted from your account. The installation code will also remain on your site, so you do not need to reinstall anything later. Whenever you want to make the widget visible again, simply return to the dashboard and unhide the widget. This makes it very convenient if you only want to disable the widget temporarily for maintenance, testing, or updates. That's how you can pause a widget in Elfsight without removing it completely. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.